Hi, we're going to show our emerging issue detection feature. So to do this, we're first going to create some Zendesk tickets to simulate activity on Zendesk. And when we create these tickets, we're going to create a few tickets that are about one new issue. We're imagining that this company had an app release and their mobile app had a problem. And so they got lots of people complaining about the problem with the app. And also they get normal traffic of emails of people asking regular un-app related questions. So let's refresh the page and take a look at the tickets. Now for each of these tickets, the messages are written differently, different ways of phrasing the same problem. App won't open, the app's not working, and we also have a question about our return policy and a question about our store hours that are unrelated. So all of these tickets went into Y-Meadows, and we detected a potential parent incident. So we see potential new incident detected. We sent a message to the emerging issue alerts channel in Slack. In this case, we decided to send an example message. We could have done other things. We could have had AI summarize the various tickets and provide a single summary. We could also provide, when the ticket started and how many there are that are in this cluster. But for now, we just chose one of them as an example. So I clicked the approve button before to approve that I consider this an incident. And we saw that Y-Meadows responded and said Zendesk problem ticket 1930 was created. So let's go back to Zendesk and take a look. So we can see that what we did here in Zendesk was we created this new problem ticket that indicates the problem we're having happening, the app not opening or working, and that we pulled as we had AI generate this title and summary from these tickets, and we also switched these tickets from ticket status to incidents. Incidents are Zendesk's term for a ticket that's really just a symptom of an underlying problem. In fact, if we open the problem, we could see that all the 5 incidents are linked to this ticket. Now that we've approved the ticket in Y-Meadows, I'm going to run the simulator again and create some more tickets. Also, so here's the additional tickets. You can see, by the way, even on the original batch, the tickets that aren't related to the app problem are classified as ticket. And when these new tickets came in, the app issue ones started to become classified as soon as they went through Y-Meadows as incidents, whereas the ones that are unrelated, like store hours and return policy, stay as tickets. If we refresh this, we should see the last 2 app tickets get classified as incidents. Yep, there they go. And if we look at the problem, you can see it now has 10 linked incidents. What this means is that as incidents come in, they're going to get classified as incidents immediately, and they'll be out of the queue. So our agents can work on regular traffic without having to link each one manually and to deal with being inundated with all of the incident tickets, and therefore get behind on their regular traffic. And also, once this is solved, we can say, hi, we can use a placeholder. That means it'll be replaced by this, by the requester's name in each individual ticket. The issue is resolved. Please try again. And we're going to say submit as solved. When we solve a problem ticket, it will solve all the linked incident tickets, and then this is informing us of this now. When we go through, we can see we're only left with the original tickets that aren't related to the incident. The way this worked is this is what it is through a journey in Meadows. This is what that journey looks like. When a new ticket comes in, we exclude problem tickets. We don't want to classify those. For regular tickets, we look to see if there's, we go use our special step to determine if this belongs is a new potential incident or if it belongs to an existing incident. And then if it's a new incident, we create that Slack message and send it out. But we could have done anything here. We could have sent out an email or sent in a message on Teams. If it's an existing issue, we can look it up and link it in Meadows, and we can link it in Zendesk as well to the existing problem, and then that finishes. But we could have done different things in all these cases. And in addition, this could have worked with a different ticketing system like Freshdesk or Salesforce or even just emails, and we could have created that tracking ticket in a different system as well. All of the activities we do once we've discovered a problem or once we associate a problem are all fully customizable within Meadows. In addition, we have a bunch of settings here that we can help you configure that controls how sensitive we are, how sensitive the messages have to be to each other, how many they have to be, and what we're looking back at, because we'll also look to see if a cluster is not just new, but maybe it's more than usual traffic, like a regular problem, like people having login issues. If it's 10 times more than normal, then we can flag that as an incident as well. So you can control all those thresholds and control whether how often you get notified. And because these are step inputs that we can control, we can combine this with our regular intent detection and use different settings for different intents so that known issues are either ignored or given higher or lower thresholds depending on the situation. We're also able to see each trip as it goes through for each ticket. In this case, the last one you see here is marking the parent as closed. We integrate with Zendesk, so when the problem ticket in Zendesk is closed, we mark the incident in Meadows as closed as well, so we'll stop associating tickets with it. For regular ones, you can see us go through all the steps and take the appropriate action.